Hello everyone, this is a simple 3 ingredients recipe. I love to call it coconut popsicle. It is so easy to make and it is super delicious. It is a healthy snack recipe that you will enjoy making and enjoy eating. If you have kids, this is another way to get them to eat healthy without it being a struggle, and they will actually enjoy it. Join me, let me show you how to make it. We will start by adding 1 cup of desiccated coconut into a bowl. If you don't have desiccated coconut, you can use normal shredded coconut. Next, we'll go ahead and add half cup of any type of yogurt. I'll be using kiwi flavored yogurt for this, but you can use plain yogurt if you want. You can use any type of yogurt you want. Go ahead and mix it together until it's properly combined. Once we are done mixing, we'll go ahead and get our popsicle mold. Then we transfer the coconut mixture into the popsicle mold and smoothen out the top. Once we are done with that, we'll go ahead and insert the popsicle sticks into the popsicle mold and transfer it to the freezer for 30 minutes or until it firms up. This is what we have after our snack has been in the freezer for some time. Take it out of the popsicle mold and transfer it into a plate. Now for the final part of the recipe, we'll be melting some chocolate. I melted 100 grams of milk chocolate and I added a little bit of crushed peanut to it. Then we go ahead and dip the coconut popsicles into it. This adds extra layer of flavor to it. You can use any type of chocolate of your choice, like the dark chocolate or the white chocolate. I'll be sprinkling some desiccated coconut to it just to make it look more pretty. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe at home, and let me know how it turned out for you. I hope you do try it because it's really delicious. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below to support the channel. If you've been watching without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, we make amazing recipes. Check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel. Feel free to share this recipe or any other recipe in this channel with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.